So I'm told that he's been playing musical instruments since the age of 2 years old, and so it was no surprise that he wanted to become a musician. He's 12 years old. He's 13 in about 2 weeks, I think. Kairo McLean recently launched an EP and zooms in to tell us about his love for music. Morning, Kairo. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am very well. Give thanks, and thanks for asking. So you playing instruments from 2 years old? You remember that?
My parents do. Yeah, they've been telling me that I've been interested in guitar since I was very young.
So when do you remember playing an instrument for the first time in your life? When do you remember that?
The first time I remember was the first time I got my own guitar. That was maybe when I was 5 or 6 or something like that. And I've been playing that guitar ever since, and I still have it, and I love it, cherish it. You know, thanks, Mom, for that guitar.
Yeah.
It brought me a long way.
You play drums also, do you?
Yeah, I try to play all instruments, you know.
All instruments. So which one do you really play competently? Which instrument do you play really well?
Well, the drums and the guitar are my two most fluent instruments that I play. The piano comes third, and then all the other instruments fall after that, you know.
And then you are an artist, which means you sing, you DJ. What you do? You're what do you do?
Well, I sing and I DJ, so I try to incorporate both in my style that I record in the studio. But when I'm around the sound system, I try to sing less. I try to DJ more, you know.
Okay. Your dad is Jamaican. Is that where the love of reggae came from?
Yeah, that and my mom. My mom was born here, and she was the one who really pumped most of the reggae music into the house. My dad played like live instruments, but my mom's the one who introduced me to the foundation artists in reggae.
Yeah. Can you remember the first reggae song that you really enjoyed and which artist it was?
The first reggae song that I really enjoyed and that I listened to was "Steer It Up."
Stir It Up. Okay.
Yeah.
So if someone didn't hear anything from Kairo and they said, "What's your style like?" What would you say?
Well, I would say I try to incorporate more 70s and 80s roots style into my singing. I'm trying to help bring back the real rubber dub reggae into Jamaica.
Why? You're a young man. Why are you not doing the hip hop and the why? Why do you want to bring back that?
Because this kind of music tells stories about real struggle, you know.
Yeah.
The dance hall is more about enjoyment and partying, which is all right. Everyone can have their own taste, and you know. But I more prefer the songs that actually tell you about history and things.
Yeah. Favorite Jamaican artist?
My favorite Jamaican artist,
Yeah.
Bob Marley.
Favorite Jamaican song?
Midnight Ravers.
Midnight Ravers by Bob Marley?
Yeah,
That's
that's
incredible.
currently my favorite song, but it changes every day, you know.
What you think it might be today?
Today it could be Exodus, tomorrow it could be Get Up, Stand Up. So
So it's only
can't really get a good read on my favorite song.
yeah,
by Bob
I
Marley.
can imagine, even in Jamaica, people hear Midnight Rivers and they say, what is that? It's not a very popular Bob Marley song, but I remember it and I like it. I think he said something like, you can't tell a woman from a man because they're dressed in the same confusion. Where do you want to go with this? So how do you balance this with school and every other thing? Where do you want to take this love of music?
Well, I want to take it as far as it can go, you know.
Yeah.
I think I've gotten into a good balance between the school and music. So as long as it can last, I'll try and keep it going.
Yeah. What about other activities? Do you do sport? Do you do what else do you do apart from music, or that's all you do, music?
Well, I play basketball and I play soccer, and that's easy to incorporate into the music because it's like it comes after music almost. So like in soccer, you can be playing soccer with anyone, and you could come up with an idea for a song. So that's not too hard for me to incorporate into the career.
Yeah. When you say come up with an idea for a song, you write your own songs?
Yes, I try to most times, but sometimes my family gives me some good ideas, and I kind of borrow their ideas for a
Yeah.
second. But yeah, for the most part, I try to write my own song.
The last song you wrote, what was it about?
The last song I wrote was another conscious song. It was called "Rise to the Occasion," and I wrote it with Chucky, who is Killer Assassin DJ, and we wrote it in about 15 minutes, and that was pretty much the latest song that I've written.
All right. How do we get the EP? It's out, right?
The EP's been out since April 16th.
How do
You
we
can
get?
find it on all streaming platforms. So Spotify, iTunes, whatever you use, you can find me on YouTube. And my music's all over the place, so go check me out.
Yep. I'm looking at a video, but I'm going to ask the producer to take that out because I want you to give me something a cappella before we go. So I don't know if you have a favorite song on the EP or something, but give me a little 15 seconds before you go. Give me something now.
Okay, 1 second. Hold on.
Why?
'Cause I
Okay. Well, that is not a cappella, Virgin, because you play music, but go ahead. Go ahead. Give me 15, give me something.
Okay. Alright then. Fear, we not need thoughts of the people. Don't be evil. Fear, it's spreading all over the world. To all the boys and girls. Fear, the heart of the people. Don't be evil. Fear, it's spreading all over the world. Hey, the panic say it got to grip all over mankind. And they want it to leave our mind. We need to relax and don't get back and take our time. This one the man no gun, no knife, and never no crime.
All right. Excellent, son. Excellent. It is great to meet you. And hopefully I'll see you in Jamaica pretty soon. When last were you in Jamaica?
The last time I was in Jamaica was November 2018.
Oh, fantastic. So when the big album is going to come out? I know the EP just came out, so when will the first album come out?
Well, we're trying to get it out soon. The time estimate would be around between now and next year.
All right.
So hopefully we finish all the songs by then and we get it according to date.
Yeah, man. I love you, son. Really great to meet you. Say hi, say hi to your mom and dad, and say hi to my son, because I think you know my son, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
And I'd like to say enough respect to Nkrumah, enough respect, enough respect Chronic, Sizzler, Judgment Yard, Willow Records, Tim Dubs. Love you, Grandma. Love you, Mom. Love you, Dad. Love you, Ali. Love you, Shanice.
Yeah.
Cousin Andrew. There.
Yeah. You never say enough respect to Neville, so I'm a little
Enough
bit annoyed.
respect to the man like Neville Bell,
Take care,
Can't leave you out.
Kairo. Take care, Kairo. Great to meet you and much love. Stay safe, God bless, and say hi to the family, all right?
Most definitely. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Kairo McLean, 12 years old, believe it or not, reggae artist out of Toronto, Canada. Love his vibes, eh? Nice. Still to come in 10 minutes to your health, we look at the importance of food and your medication, and we get the details on the activities for International Reggae Day. But first, the second edition, News in 5, comes up in a couple minutes with Shamela Pullen. Actually, it comes up right now.